Dream Team: machine learning engineer, data scientist, business intelligence developer, research scientist, big data engineer, architect, IT consultant and marketing machine learning engineer. The role of a machine learning engineer is at the heart of AI projects and is suitable for those who hail from a background in applied research and data science. Machine learning engineer will also be responsible for quality assurance, and apart from quality assurance he will also be consulted for analytics and data science, cloud computing, enterprise mobility, product engineering related tasks. ML engineer is also informed about tasks that are related to enterprise services, digital services, AL management. Data scientist: I charge data scientists with collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large, complex datasets by leveraging both machine learning and predictive analytics. They also play a vital role in developing algorithms that enable the collection and cleaning of data for analysis. Data scientist is accountable for analytics and data science, enterprise mobility sectors. Apart from that, I also consult him about cloud computing, product engineering and quality assurance related tasks. It also informs data scientist about enterprise services, digital services, AL management. Business intelligence developer: business of artificial intelligence machine and robot developers play a key role in improving the efficiency and profitability of a business. Business intelligence developers are typically responsible for designing, modeling, and maintaining complex data in highly accessible cloud-based data platforms. Business intelligence developer is responsible for cloud computing and product engineering. He is also accountable for enterprise services and quality assurance, also be consulted for analytics and data science, enterprise mobility, AI management related tasks. Business intelligence developer is also informed about tasks that are related to analytics and data science, digital services, AL management. Research scientist: one of the leading careers in artificial intelligence is the job of the research scientist. These individuals are experts in multiple business of artificial intelligence machine and robot disciplines, including applied mathematics, machine learning, deep learning, and computational statistics. Research scientist is responsible for enterprise mobility. He is also consulted for cloud computing, enterprise services, digital services, quality assurance and product engineering. Research scientist is also informed about tasks that are related to analytics and data science, AL management. Big data engineer, architect. Compared to data scientists, this role can feel more involved, as big data engineers and architects typically are tasked with planning, designing, and developing the big data environment on head and Spark systems. Big data engineer is responsible for analytics and data science and enterprise services, and he is also accountable for cloud computing, digital services, product engineering, AI management.